Place the tomatoes in a small pot with water. Cook the tomatoes over medium to high heat until tender and set aside. Warm the canola oil in a sauté pan at high heat. Add the cheetahs and stir constantly. The goal is to evenly coat the cheetahs in oil and heat them through. It is important to keep an eye on them because they can easily burn. After 1 to 2 minutes, or once they reach this point, remove them from the heat and place them in the blender with the oil as well. Add the garlic, salt, and some of the liquid from the tomatoes. Place the lid on the blender and allow the chiles to soak in the water for about 7 minutes until tender. Puree the chiles. As you puree the chiles and the consistency becomes finer, the color will change. At this point, you can add the tomatoes. Add the tomatoes and the liquid and then puree. Please keep in mind that this salsa is extremely spicy. So once it's all pureed, you can taste it and adjust the seasoning as needed with salt. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and if you're new, subscribe. I do want to reiterate that this is an extremely spicy salsa, so if you love spicy salsas, then great, but if you're not crazy about them, then a little goes a very long way. And as always, if you recreate this recipe or any of the recipes that I post, tag me on Instagram. Hasta pronto!